Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5. Want to present our materials about the equation of circle and tangent equation of a circle. Member of our group is myself, M. Jargi Abdillah, Rosida Jenasution, Dina Nur Azizah Tamrin, and Irsyad Kamil. Equation of circle if the center point is O 0, 0. The equation of a circle with center point O 0, 0 and radius r is x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. Equation of circle if the center point is P, A, B. The equation of a circle with center points P, A, B and radius r is r squared equals to x minus a in bracket square plus y minus b in bracket square. We will prove it in this video.
Let's talk about the circle. A circle can be defined as the set of all points in the plane that are located at the same distance from a fixed point. The constant radius distance between any point on the circle and the fixed point is known as the radius of the circle atau kita sebut sebagai jari-jari. Nah, equation of a circle with center 0.0. So here we have a circle in coordinate Cartesius with center 0.0, and here we have OA as the radius of the circle. We can project OA into a right triangle and we use theorem of Pythagoras with R as the hypotenuse. And then we use the unit distance method to find AO. So R squared equals to AXN O all squared plus AXN all squared R squared equals to AXN minus 0 all squared plus A minus 0 all squared. It can be summarized as R quadrat equals to AXN squared plus A squared. Also, we can say AXN as X, A as Y. So we have R squared equals to X squared plus Y squared. Equation of a circle with center A, point B. Here we have a circle with center point A, point B. We make points P, A, point B, and Q, X, point Y as a radius. To find the radius, we can use the theorem of Pythagoras as before. So, we can project back into a right triangle and we use the theorem of Pythagoras. R squared equals to P Q accent all square plus Q accent all square. R squared equals to X minus A all square plus Y minus B all square. So we have R squared equals to X minus A all square plus Y minus B I square as the formula of the circle with center A, point B.
General form of circle equations. The general form of the circle equation is x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals to 0, with its center points P, A over minus 2, B over minus 2, and its radius is r equals to square root of a over minus 2 in bracket square plus b over minus 2 in bracket square minus c. Next I will to prove this formula. General equation of circle, namely x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Before we have the equation of circle with the point center at P, A, B, we can expand this equation bx squared minus 2ax plus a squared plus y squared minus 2by plus b squared equals to r squared. So each term to respective degree. So that x squared plus y squared minus 2ax minus 2by plus a squared plus b squared equals to r squared. Subtract both sides by r squared becomes x squared plus y squared minus ax minus by plus a squared plus b squared minus r squared. Connect this equation with the general equation so that a equals to minus 2a and b equals to minus 2by and c equals to a squared plus b squared minus r squared. So that a equals to minus a over 2 and b equals to minus b over 2 and r squared equals to a squared plus b squared minus c. A squared is previously known substitution to these equations so that root square of a over minus 2 squared plus b over minus 2 squared minus c. So that center point of this equation is a over minus 2 comma b over minus 2 and radius for this equation is square root of a over minus 2 squared plus b over minus 2 squared minus c.
Determine the tangent line to a circle if the point is known. The first, we must know what the tangent line and what a tangent point. Tangent line is a line touch a circle, and tangent point is the point formed between the tangent line and the circle. We have two situations. The first situation, tangent line to the circle at the center point O 0, 0 is the have formula x1 times x plus y1 times y is equal to r squared. So from where this formula, first we must draw the circle at the center point O 0, 0 And then we sketch the tangent line G, and we find the tangent point at T is x1, y1, and we can sketch radius R. So in this situation, the circle equation at the center point O 0, 0 is fulfilled to this situation with formula x squared plus y squared is equal to R squared. So we can, the first type, we can find the gradient of the tangent line. We must know what is the gradient of the tangent line. We know the point O is 0, 0 and point T x1, y1. Gradient TO is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So we substitute the point at the formula. So y2 is the 0 minus y1 over 0 minus x1 is equal to minus y1 over minus x1. So we find the gradient of TO is y1 plus over x1. We know the line TO is perpendicular to line G. So if perpendicular, gradient is MTO times gradient of line G is minus 1. So we can find the gradient NG is the minus x1 over y1. We find the gradient, so we can substitute to the equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x1 minus x1. So we substitute y minus y1 is the y1 and m is the minus x1 plus y1, x minus x1. So we can y1 is equal to minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. Y times x1 minus y1 square is equal to minus x times x1 and plus x1 squared. So we can y times yy plus x times x1 is equal to x1 squared plus y1 squared. We know this equation is fulfilled to this, so we can substitute the R to this. So y times y1 plus x times x1 is equal to R squared. So we can find the equation for the tangent line to the circle if the center point is not O, is 0, 0, is the x times x1 plus y times x1 is equal to R squared. So we can find. The two situation is the tangent line to the circle at the center point P, A, B. The formula is the in bracket x minus a close bracket times x1 minus a close bracket plus in bracket y minus b close bracket times in bracket y1 minus b close bracket is equal to R squared. So from this formula, first we can draw the circle with the center point is P, A, B, A, B, and we can sketch the tangent line or tangent G with the tangent point at the T x1, y1 and x1 and y1, and we can sketch the radius, and we can use the triangle TXN. So we know the distance T1 TXN to the T is A1 minus B, and the distance of the P to the TXN is the x1 minus A. So this situation is the fulfill to the circle equation at the center point P, A, B, where its equation is in bracket x minus a squared plus in bracket y minus b squared is equal to R squared. So the first step, we must find gradient of the tangent line. We can use the formula gradient pt is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1 is equal to y1 minus b all over x1 minus a. So we know the line pt, line pt to the line g is perpendicular. So gradient mpt times mg is equal to minus 1. So we find the gradient g is equal to minus in bracket x1 minus a all over y1 minus b. So we find the gradient. We can substitute to the Strickland equation. y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. So we substitute the gradient and we explain the algebra form until we all the variable fy we made to the left side and the variable x we made the right side like this until the x1 square plus y1 square. This form we can form this x1 minus a square plus y1 minus b square is equal to r square from the circle equation at the center point. So we can explain the algebra form until we find the x1 square plus y1 square is equal to r square plus 2x1 minus a square plus 2by1 minus b square. We substitute the value. So we can explain again with form algebra and until we can find this formula. In bracket x minus a times in bracket x1 minus a plus in bracket y minus b in bracket y1 minus b is equal r square. So this is the explain the algebra form.
Next is the equation of the tangent line of the circle. The general form of circle equation is like this. But how do we get it? I will try to explain it. Previously, we have known an equation of this. Now, to obtain the general form of the circle equation is from this equation that we describe. First, describe its square, then move r square from the right side to the left side, change and rearrange the formation to be like this. When we have moved and changed the formation, it will be like this. Then, here we do the memorization. We suppose minus 2a with a capital, minus 2b with b capital, and a square plus b square minus r square, which both have no variables. That's as c capital. So after that we get x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Next, we will look for the center and radius. In the equation, x minus all square plus y minus b all square is equal to r square. This has a center that is at a, b. Then, this has a center that is at a, b. Then, for this equation, looking for the center is to replace the variable a and b, which is like this. Minus 2a is equal to a capital, then a is equal to a capital over minus 2. For b, minus 2b is equal to b capital, b is equal to b capital over minus 2. Then, in the general form of the circle equation, The center point is a over minus 2, b over minus 2. Now we will looking for the radius. To get the radius, we can find out through the memorization on C. We try to describe the side on the left by moving it to the right, and C capital we move it to the left. Remember that the value of A is A capital over minus 2 and B is B capital over minus 2. We replace the variable with that value so that it becomes A over minus 2 all square plus B over minus 2 all square minus C is equal to R square. And finally, we just pull the root and can get the value of R, which is the root of A square over 4 plus B square over 4 minus C. So, what is the relationship between the general form of the circle equation and the equation of the tangent to the circle that we will discuss? Okay, to find the equation of the tangent to the circle, we need the general form of the equation. We know that the value of A is A capital over minus B and B is B capital over minus 2. These values are substituted into the standard form and become x plus A over 2 all square plus y plus b over 2 all square is equal to r square. Now for r square we have also obtained it. Because this is a square, then we remove the root so that it becomes a square over 4 plus b square over 4 minus c. Next, to find the equation of the tangent to the circle at a point, let's say point P at x, y, then x here becomes x1 and y here becomes y1. So that when we break down the left side, it will be like this. There are x1 and x, y1 and y. They are not the same variable because we are looking for it at a point. Then continue the operation. After that, we will make the right side 0 by moving the numbers and variables on the right side to the left. Simplify to be like this, and after we simplify, this is the equation of the tangent line of the circle at a point. Example: the equation of the tangent line to the circle x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 passing through the point 2, 2 is. Alright, with the previous information, we can find out what the equation is. First, we write down that what is known. We know that there is a point 2, 2, which means that is x1 is 2 and y1 is 2. Then, from the previous equation of the tangent line to the circle, we just need to substitute the numbers. For variable a it is 2, and for variable b is minus 3, while c is 6, minus 6. Then we substitute it. After that, we multiply the ones in brackets then add the same variables, and finally we simplify it to be like this. So the equation of the tangent circle is 6x minus y minus 14 is equal to 0.
Tangent to a circle if the gradient is known. If the center point of the circle O 0, 0 y equals to mx plus minus r times square root of 1 plus m squared. If center point of the circle is P A, B, y minus b equals to m x minus a plus or minus r times 2 square root of 1 plus m squared. Next, I will to prove this formula. Tangent line circle if known m or gradient. For example, tangent line of the circle is y minus b equals to m times x minus a, and add n this equation. N is distance from the tangent line to the circle. Previously, we have got the equation of circle if the point center PA, B. Substitute the equation of the tangent line in the equation of the circle, so that x minus 2 squared plus m times x minus a plus n in bracket squared equals to r squared. For example, x minus a is equals to p, so that p squared plus m times p plus n squared equals to r squared. Expand this equation so that p squared plus 2nmp plus n squared equals to r squared. Both sides are subtracted by r squared, so that p squared plus m squared p squared plus 2nmp plus n squared minus r squared equals to 0. Remove p squared, so that 1 plus m squared times p squared plus 2mnp plus n squared minus r squared equals to 0. The condition of the line to touch a circle if the discriminant equals to 0. Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Substitute the a, b, and c to the equation of discriminant. 2nm squared is equals to 4n squared m squared and minus 4. Expand these equations so that n squared minus r squared plus m squared times n squared minus m squared r squared. Multiply minus 4 to into bracket, so that 4m squared n squared minus 4n 4n squared m squared minus 4m squared n squared is 0, so that then divide what is left by 4, so that n squared minus r squared minus m squared r squared equal to 0. Then the both sections are plus by r squared plus m squared r squared. Both sides are square root, then r is plus and minus square root of r squared times 1 plus m squared. Thank you for your attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.